In this video, I'll show you how to use scene shortcuts. Scenes are powerful. But if you have to open the Scenes tab, scroll through a list, find the right one, and then tap play. That's 4 steps too many. You'll stop using them within a week. Scene shortcuts. Pin your most used scenes directly on the home page. One tap, no navigation. Good morning runs your entire wake up routine. Movie mode dims the lights, closes the curtains, and turns on the TV. All off shuts down the house before bed. Now, I will show you how to create a scene shortcut. Let's set it up. Open the Home Automation app. Tap the plus icon on the home page, just below the Scene Shortcut section. Select your preferred scenes tab. Tap Close. Your shortcuts will now appear directly on the home page. Thank you.